We are back at the O2 Intercontinental in Greenwich, London for Britain and Ireland Marketplace 2025. This event showcases the best of British and Irish product. I'm back with my mini mic, so let's go around, have a little chat to people and see what they're getting up to. I am here with Seb and David from Expian. So to begin with, can one of you tell me a little bit about Expian and what you guys do?
Yes, so we're a ticketing platform. We look after various attractions, historical palaces, P&O ferries being our biggest, and we're here to meet lots of travel companies and attractions this week.
Fantastic. Yeah. So I have a couple of questions for you. My first question being, if you could have tickets to any experience in the UK or Ireland, where would you go and what would it be?
Any ticket experience.
Any experience. So any attraction, maybe a destination you haven't visited yet?
I would like to go Alton Towers. I think
Alton
that looks
Towers?
really exciting.
Have you not been?
No, I haven't. No.
Wow.
I'm still new in the country. I'm still very new in the country. So
He's
there's
a new citizen.
Yeah. So I'm still trying to explore as much as I can, and kind of being part of Expian actually helps. So yeah.
Definitely.
That's nice, yeah.
Definitely. David, anywhere you haven't been to?
I think something more touristy, like the Visit Wales, that kind of thing. Not really been there.
No, very
to explore
nice.
the coast, the heritage.
I feel like Wales is slightly untouched, although now, hopefully not.
Interesting thing, actually, yesterday one of the people I was speaking to said Wales is one of the top 5 beaches in the world.
Really? Wow.
Which I never knew that.
Great for surfing as well.
Yeah.
So, my next question,
Yep.
the BAFTAs are coming to the UK, so that means lots of celebrities are coming. If you could organise a trip for a celebrity, first of all, who would the celebrity be and where would you send them?
Oh, I don't know. I would like to be like Ryan Reynolds, man. Just take him on some hikes and just walk and listen to him chat. I think he talks nonsense half the time.
Maybe
and
he
he's
could
quite
take
funny.
you to Wales.
Take me to Wales. We can go surfing together, you know?
Yeah. Very good
Why
chat. And then my last question is, do you guys have a top travel hack?
Mine's really boring, but just research places to go. Research the costs, research the itinerary. Just don't get lost. Make the most of your time.
Good idea. Plan ahead. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a lovely
No
day.
worries. Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.